Let's watch out for this.
What the hell is that?
My fishing rod.
That's a good one.
It is.
It is.
Look it.
Oh, look at that. It's us.
Today we do fishing with John.
We're fishing.
We're fishing. And not just casting.
No,
Fish.
fishing.
Fish. It's been like 3 days since I've caught a decent fish other than yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
I got two of them yesterday. I got a nice one yesterday.
I saw.
But no, the one you didn't see is the one that got away. Of course, yeah, the fishing story.
John's seeing some shad popping in and out of the water, so shad colored Senko. Fish on. Come on. On the jack. Oh. The little guy. Just a little one. I think I caught your fish's son. Fish on. Nope, just kidding. Fish on. Oh, little guy. Fish on. Oh yeah. Nice to get a little bit bigger. You got one? Good job, man. We're winning. Not a bad little fish. There you go. Thanks, little guy. Alright, one more cast, and then we're going to switch reels. I want you guys to see this. I was just tossing out jigs with a trailer, and something bit my fucking claws right off my crawfish. Put a new one on. It's Mama Duke. Fish on! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Whew! This guy put up a fight! Not bad. Look at that one.
Nice when they're aggressive, huh?
Thanks, buddy. On the bait caster. Look at that. That's a fucking rush, man. That's what it's all about. Don't care about the weight. That guy fought.
No, stop. No, baby, where'd you get this? Did you really get this? Where'd you get it?
Somewhere. Look at this.
What do you think, buddy?
This is freaking awesome.
Good job, Mom. Autumn, what do you think?
It's amazing.
I'm gonna cry.
John, John, it's huge!
It's huge!
It's huge!
Spider.
That's what you wanted?
Oh, here's exactly what I wanted. Freaking right on, man. The best. The best. My whole life I wanted a John boat.
Now you got it.
Being John, I should.
These are the best days. I don't know how much we're gonna get because we're going on the boat, and I still haven't waterproofed my phone, but try to get something for you anyway. Tell them how big it was.
It was bigger than my forearm.
John, what do we say about that?
It was huge!
It was huge!
It was Mama Duke.
It was Mama Duke. And it caught a big ass fish. But I ain't bring my phone, so we didn't get any of that shit. But John
Me?
had a good sense to take a picture.
Yes, I did.
So
we got proof.
I'm gonna put the picture somewhere in here. You guys will be able to see the biggest fish of the day from Nick.
I thought it was weeds.
She thought it was weeds. She caught it on ultralight on 6-pound mono. You don't need heavy line to catch heavy fish.